When we go to do a backup in Backup Exec 21, sometimes we see the options that were installed when the Backup Exec program was installed itself does not include the options that we need now. So maybe something has changed. I'm going to click this drop down that we see here, go to Installation and Licensing. Then we're going to go to the Install Features and Licenses on this Backup Exec server. I'm not adding any licenses at this time, but you may find that some things cannot be added without those licenses. So I'm going to click Next. I'm still in the trial mode. And let's say that we would like to add any one of these features. I'm going to add in the copy server configuration, which can assist us in setting up a new Backup Exec server. Allows us to copy the settings so we don't have to do them again. I want to keep my language the same. Click Install. And now my Backup Exec services are being restarted, and my new feature is being added. So that's how you add additional features into Backup Exec 21, 20, and older versions.